Good afternoon, students. Today we'll be discussing two longhand methods for multiplication of two-digit numbers. My assistant here is Mr. K, and he will be doing the math while I explain how it works. So the numbers we'll be using for this example are 21 and 12. And the first method I call the stacking method because you stack the numbers one on top of the other. Now with this method, you'll take the numbers of the bottom number, the digits, and you'll multiply them individually by the digits of the top number. So, for example, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Now, when you get to the second digit, you'll have to drop a 0, because it's a placeholder for the tens space that you're now working in. And then you proceed as normal. So, 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. And then you add the two numbers that you have together, and you get 252. Now with the second method, the box method, or square method, you're going to take the numbers and you'll break them down into groups of tens and ones. For example, 21 is a grouping of 2 tens and a 1, so 20 plus 1. 12, however, is a grouping of 1 10 and 2 ones, 10 plus 2. Now, with this, you'll do the same thing that you did over here. You'll multiply your numbers all together and then add them. So, 20 times 10 is 200, 10 times 1 is 10, 20 times 2 is 40, and 1 times 2 is 2. And now you add 200 to 40 to 10 to 2. And you get 252. And these are the same because you started with the same numbers. So it doesn't matter which method you use. And this has been a summary of two separate methods for longhand multiplication of two-digit numbers.